Tired of begging for Google reviews and getting nowhere? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to use Go Highlevel to effortlessly automate Google review collection, boosting your online reputation and driving more business. Step by step. First, log into your Go Highlevel account. Now, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side. This is where the magic begins. From the Marketing menu, you can use either email or SMS to ask for the review. For this example, let's focus on SMS. Click on SMS. Next, we'll craft an engaging SMS template. Keep it short, sweet, and personalize something like, "Hey." Be sure to use custom values to automatically insert the customer's name for a personal touch. This makes the request feel less automated and more genuine. Now, for the automation, head over to the Automation tab. Here, you'll create a workflow that triggers automatically after a specific event, like a purchase or service completion. Within the workflow, add a send SMS action, link it to your review request template, and set a delay, perhaps a day or two after the transaction, to give the customer time to experience your service. Make sure that you're linking to your Google Business Profile review page within the template. Finally, track your success. Go Highlevel's reporting dashboard allows you to monitor your review generation progress, so you can see the impact of your automation efforts. And that's it. By automating your Google review requests with Go Highlevel, you'll consistently gather feedback, improve your online reputation, and watch your business grow. Now go, hit those 5-star reviews.